Good morning. I am going to show you a day in my life as a Blue Raider. My name's Christine. I'm really classified as a senior this semester, but I'm basically a junior in a way at the same time. But I'm majoring in biochemistry and two minors in Spanish and neuroscience. So I'm basically, going on the pre-med track slash route. I'm part of the pre-med program here. But I'm quite involved a lot at MTSU. I'm a Blue tour guide. So I give tours to prospective students and parents who may be interested in, coming to MTSU and be one of the first people that they may possibly see if they decide to come here. And I'm also involved in SGA as a senator at large. And some other things, I used to be a genetics tutor, not so much this semester, but the next semester I might do so, but I've been involved in that. I'm also recently just was a part of the 5th annual Color the Runway show. It's held during Black History Month, and it just celebrates, Black culture and, the passion for fashion kinds of things. And it was so exciting. I loved it. But those are just some of the things that you can do here at MTSU, and I'll show you through my day.
One of the ways that I get on campus is taking one of the buses at MTSU. On the campus is so big, so we have about four bus routes, I believe. I generally take one, but I'm about to get on it right now. So I forgot to mention it, but my first class of the day is physics, so what you see on the board is basically physics-related problems. Okay, hello. We're just coming back from physics. We just finished it. It was a longer class today. It's also raining, and a bunch of schools like near MTSU have been closing today because of how much it's been raining. But we're on our way to the science building right now. We're coming from the David. So I didn't introduce her, but this is my friend Anna.
Hi.
She's a biology major. Can you maybe say what you like most about being a biology major?
What I love the most is just, they might seem a little long, but labs, you get more hands-on experience rather than just sitting in a lecture like high school and just listening to them talk.
Yeah, exactly what she said. I feel like the labs are really fun. And maybe nerdy to say, but an organic lab was pretty fun to me. But yeah, like I said earlier before my umbrella went up, but we're on our way to the science building to do some studying before our next class. It's about, I don't know what time it is now, but my next class is about 11:20, and it'll be human neuropsychology, which has to do with brain disorders and stuff. So yeah. Yeah, it's actually not many people out right now, but this is the science building. Wanted to show from the outside, but this is the building that we're going inside of.
Hi, so I just finished my class and I'm about to do some more homework, but I got some donuts, like a bagel and matcha green tea, but yeah, I'm at the student union, about to study, waiting for a friend to eat lunch. So I just came back from the student union and I'm back at home, gonna relax for a bit, take a break until my next thing, which will be my Senate meeting coming up soon. But I wanted to talk with you guys about, something else that I'm involved in. I, won't be able to show it to you today, unfortunately, but I'm also involved in research. It's titled Research in Psychology, but specifically more so related to neuroscience right now. And I want to emphasize, how much of an on hands-on kind of university MTSU is. From my, own college, I'm part of the College in Basic and Applied Sciences. There's so many research opportunities that you can be a part of. You can either make something that's more so in particular to what you're studying and maybe your own idea, or you can tag along with a faculty member if you guys have, similar interests. I tagged along more so on the behavioral science kind of side. And I tagged along because he was more so into neuroscience kind of related studies and particularly Chiari kinds of conditions. So I was more so interested in that. So I'm doing that this semester, which I'm really, really excited about. Yeah, that's one thing I really want to, talk to you guys about, that you can get involved in research. I'm more so knowledgeable about, you can get involved in research related to chemistry, biology, that's more so, or even organic chemistry if you wanted to. But I just wanted to highlight how, the opportunities that you can have getting involved in research as a undergraduate student here at MTSU.
Hey, hi. This is actually on a different day, but I wanted to take you guys and show what's part of my everyday life. I'm gonna go on the way to work to do a tour because I'm a Blue Elite tour guide. So pretty much short in what I do, I show prospective students and families around MTSU, answer their questions. Just show them around. But I just wanted to show you guys, this part of my life. So now that I've relaxed for a bit, I'm about to go to Senate now. Our meeting starts at 4:30, but this is, the sign. Pretty proud of it. But after that, I'm gonna eat at a place called Farmers Market in the Student Union, and then the day will pretty much, be done. But I'll take you guys with me.
So just to touch on this building again, this is the Student Union building. A lot is going on in here, but people often congregate. On the first floor are restaurants, the second floor is a movie theater and ballroom where a bunch of events are, and the third floor is more particular into student involvement, but I'm going to the second floor for the Senate meeting.
Okay, so right now I'm in my internal affairs committee right before we have our Senate meeting. Everyone say hi.
Hello.
Okay, so we just finished our Senate meeting, and this is one of my friends. Her name is Ema. She has a lot of experience at MTSU, but if you can go ahead.
Yeah, so I'm a biochemistry major, and something I really like about the biology and the chem department is that professors are always so willing to reach out with opportunities about things. It's a really big major, but it feels like a small college because your professors and teachers are always talking to you about different opportunities. I'm a tutor, for example. I found out about that through one of my chem professors. He came up to me and was like, hey, Ema, I think this is something you might be interested in. I'm also getting into research like Christine, and I found out about that through one of my biology professors. So that's something I really like about my department.
Yeah, those opportunities. But that's just what I wanted to mention to you guys. So we just came from Senate getting our Starbucks. We're about to study a lot. Okay, so that pretty much marks the end of my day. So I'm gonna end it pretty much with studying for the rest of the day. But I hope you guys enjoy, see my life as a biochemistry student. And bye. Trinity is saying bye too.